Danielle Colby is one of the biggest stars of the highly famous TV program American Pickers, which centers on the search and sale of antique goods. There is more to Danielle's tale than just her status as a TV personality. She is a model dancer and owns her own clothing company. Prepare yourself, for we are going to explore Danielle Colby's path, controversy, and tragic end in today's film, American Pickers. We'll also explain the reports that she's quitting the show. Danielle Colby's early years weren't very typical. Carome is the name of Danielle's sister as well. Betty had limited prospects for a great and exciting life growing up in a small Iowan town. Nevertheless, she married Robert Strom, an Englishman, when she was 29 years old. Together, they are parents to 2 kids. In addition, Danielle managed an antique store. However, when she began filming for the television series American Friends, everything was different. She became a star almost immediately after this show. Although Danielle was ecstatic about her sudden celebrity, Robert, her husband, didn't enjoy the attention she was receiving. He found it difficult to tolerate her being the center of attention. Unfortunately, their marriage was unable to withstand the strain, and as a result of their arguments, they were forced to file for divorce. Danielle Colby has had a varied and fascinating career. She began as a roller derby player in her early years, competing for Big Mouth Mickey, and even taking home a community title. Eventually, injuries forced her to give up the sport, and she went on to appear in Mike Wolf's TV series American Pickers. This show centers on Mike Wolf and Frank Fritz as they search for and sell antiques across the nation. But it has not been without controversy, especially in season 19, when the band Eric Smith was the subject of several episodes that promoted the band's first fan. Some fans felt that the episodes went too far in promoting the band's residency in Las Vegas, and others claimed that members of the band had inappropriately behaved with Danielle during the scenes. In spite of the criticism, the show went on. Danielle went on to become a burlesque dancer and be active in the burlesque world. Despite all of this, many believe that Danielle Colby would quit the show. The COVID-19 pandemic's effects on production prevented the show from airing or being filmed. Fans were worried that Danielle could quit the program as a result of this news, but no formal announcement has been made. Guys, don't worry, all of these rumors are untrue. Fans are quite excited with Danielle's confirmation that she is back and working on recording new episodes with Mike Wolf, so it appears that she is sticking around for the program and is actively working on it for the time being. Another untrue claim circulated online stated that Danielle Colby had died 2 years prior. It's crucial to understand that this rumor is just Ford's, even though it began to circulate on other internet forums. Danielle is, in fact, still alive and well. Danielle helps care for animals in need and works at animal shelters in addition to her TV show. She also enjoys collecting antique costumes, such as circus garb and 1800s clothing for Les Miserables. In addition, Danielle runs a jewelry line and actively promotes awareness of human trafficking. Danielle possesses almost 30 tattoos, demonstrating her enthusiasm for body art. Every tattoo has a unique significance that symbolizes events, people, or locations in her life. The 2 tattoos on her hands that her children drew for her are her 2 favorites. Alright, that's it for now. Are you looking forward to seeing her and Mike on film together again? If you enjoyed this video, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the channel. Additionally, don't forget to click the bell icon to receive notifications anytime we post new content.